Good morning, children, and welcome to my new class. So, as you all remember, that we were doing Owens versus the Master race. Until now, what we have done is that in the Berlin Olympics, people who had assembled there, the countries who had participated there, were not that willing to participate there just because of the racist attitude of the people of Berlin. So let us read on from paragraph number 7. His coach, now his here refers to Owens, had warned him to expect racist abuse from Nazi supporters among the Berlin crowds. But Owens had come to the Olympics determined not to allow this to affect his performance. And his coach was wrong. The German people were fascinated by him, and no sooner had he arrived in the country than he was mobbed by sports fans who had read about his record breaking performances. Owens made an ideal hero. He was tall and handsome, but more importantly, he had a boyish charm and modesty that made him particularly likable. So here this tells us that even though his coach had warned him that he would be expecting racist abuse. Racist means the abuses which are based on the races, on the race or the caste of the people. Next, the games began on 1st August with a speech made by the founder of the modern games, Pierre de Coubertin. The important thing at the Olympic Games is not to win but to take part. The most important thing about life is not to conquer but to struggle well. It was unlikely that this philosophy would be taken seriously by the Nazi hosts. Now, this is one important thing. The games began on 1st August. So, you'll have to remember these important things. With a speech made by the founder of the modern games, and who was the founder? Pierre de Coubertin. Now, what does he say? The important thing at the Olympic Games is not to win, but to take part. So, that is important. Right. Next. Owen's first race, the 100 meters, was on the day after the opening. He was pitted against five of the world's fastest human beings. Now, what do you mean by the word pitted against? Now, pitted against here means set to compete with. Five of the world's fastest human beings. All of them wanted to beat him. Now, here, beat him does not mean that they wanted to hurt him. Beat him here means they wanted to win. On that cold, wet afternoon, the crowd held its breath. The sound of the starting pistol. Now, starting pistol, the pistol which is used to start a race, echoed around the stadium, and Owens shot from the line. Shot from the line means he started running. Racing to a new Olympic record, he received an ecstatic ovation. Ecstatic means very happy and excited, enthusiastic. And ovation means enthusiastic clapping by the audience as a sign of their approval. Everybody liked him. From the stadium crowd, he had run 100 meters in 10.3 seconds. Now, this is very important for you to understand that he had run this in just 10.3 seconds. So, see, all these things are very important, and you have to keep these things in your mind for the MCQ questions that you would be getting. Now, see here, you can see this picture, and it very clearly depicts Owens, right? Now, you can see how focused he was. Now, here it also tells us one important thing, that Owens was focused and the people also liked him very much. So, this tells us about his focus, even though he knew that people would not be liking him on the basis of his color or creed, but still, he was the one who won the race because he had made up his mind that he wanted to win the race. Next, in his private stadium box, Nazi leader Adolf Hitler, a regular spectator at the games, was not amused. His dream of German athletes dominating the games was fading before his eyes. When an aide suggested he invite Owens up to congratulate him, Hitler was outraged. Do you really think I'll allow myself to be photographed shaking hands with a black man? He hissed. Now, here this tells us about the behavior of Adolf Hitler. He was a Nazi leader, Adolf Hitler. Now, he did not like Owens winning the race, and he said that he did not want to shake hands with him and get photographed. The next day, Owens competed in the long jump. Now, before this, he had done the 100-meter race. Now, he competed in the long jump. But his three preliminary jumps nearly ended in disaster. Here in Germany, some rules were different. Owens was upset, but help came from an unexpected quarter. A fellow long jump competitor, he was a German named Lutz Long. He whispered a few consoling words. Owens jumped a stupendous rock breaking 8.06 meters leap. The record remained unbeaten for 24 years. So now you can imagine how nicely he had practiced. Next, Long and Owens left the stadium arena arm in arm. Now, what do you mean by arm in arm? It means that they had become friends. And that evening, they met again at the Olympic Village and talked through the night. Through the night means the whole night. Long's blonde Germanic good looks and perfect athlete's body were the epitome of Nazi German racial idol. Epitome means he was like an idol for everybody. But Long did not share his leader's racist beliefs. Who was the leader? He was Hitler. He and Owens found they had much in common. They was the same age group and from similar poor backgrounds, and both saw athletic success as a way to improve their future. Long too was disturbed by the prejudice he saw all around him in the Germany. So now, Long also, even though he was a German, did not like the behavior of the German people. So I hope you have understood till here, and we'll start from the 14th paragraph in my next class. So have a nice day and keep learning.